Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will try to explain you how can use the positive transition sensing contact in LS PLC. First of all, we will open our XG5000 software, and in the software, in the ladder editor bar, in the contact section, you can find the positive transition sensing contact. You can also drag and drop this function here in the PLC in the ladder page, and after we can choose the single clock pulse for 1 second in the PLC, the T1S FX147. Because of this is the single clock pulse in the PLC special function, and click it OK. And next we will choose one function in the function bar, that increment command. INC when you type, after you can get the increment command, and click it OK. And if you like to make one output with the enabling function, also you can choose an example. I will take MX0 for the only just display the increment command, so otherwise no need. And in the input data register, we will choose here, double click on it, and here you can choose any data register. For example, D100 I will choose to for the increment. And in output also we will choose the data register D100 and click enter. And same as this positive transition contact, and here we will choose without local contact, means double click it on this one, and here you can place same. Also we can choose, no problem, and this control C, and you can make it here control V, and same command we will be choose F10 function, and INC you can type, and this command we will be type, and this we will be not take the positive transition, we will take without positive transition, means this contact. And output also, if you need, can take this one MX1 for example. And here also we have to be choose the data register. For example, D200 we will be choose, and out also D200 we will be choose. And this program we will be downloaded to the PLC. Click it on the right, click OK, and you can see now our program is start downloading into the PLC. Click yes and go to the monitor. This is the monitor section, and now you can see this. I will put it here 0, and one more mistake we will be make to verify this one. We have to be first make it here one open contact MX1 for example, or MX5 we will be choose, Okay, also we can choose it here, Control C and Control V, and again download to the PLC. This contact you can use the first of the clock pulse, and also you can choose the after the clock pulse. This is nothing issue because of this function. When increment works, when we give the signal at mx5, otherwise here increment will be no come. This we can change the value in hexadecimal and sign decimal. Sign decimal is better because after you will see the increment value at here at the D100 and D200. What's the difference between this positive transition and this local contact? For an example, in the program you like to be use the increment command, and if you are using without this transition contact, what's happen, and with the transition contact what's happen, that's now we will be check. I will make it on this mx5. As I make it on this mx5, you can see at the D100 value is coming at one by one single pulse, and here you can see with the one pulse many values coming, yani maybe 150 200, means if needs any accuracy or something you cannot take from the this direct contact. But instead of this direct contact, this is positive transactions. What do? Only just single pulse giving to the increment command. You can see here is the 34, and it is sometimes giving going data to into minus and sometimes into the positive data. So this is the basic difference in the positive transition contact and this normally open contact. Right, as you will be stop the execution, your increment will be stop, which is look same like any D100 and D200. Too much difference. So hope guys you will be understand about this positive transition and normally open contact. What's the difference? If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.